Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Economics problems like this are actually super simple if you visualize the graph. We need to find what makes both price and GDP drop fast. In the ADS model, a simultaneous decrease in the price level in real GDP indicates a leftward shift of the aggregate demand curve. This happens when total spending in the economy falls. Since aggregate demand is defined by consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports, a drop in business investment spending directly reduces demand. This perfectly matches the scenario described in our original problem. Other options describe factors increasing demand or shifting supply differently. Therefore, decreasing business investment is the only logical cause for this specific economic contraction. Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid the rush by trusting these steps.